to establish clear policies. Kasi bakit? Everything goes wrong. Kinsa may balikan na to? The policy. Tama? Your side, my side, and the truth. Unsay policy. Again, me? I-connect na to. Okay. Then, next slide. Provide leadership training. Okay? So again, we are very blessed na gitagaan kaaningan opportunity. Because it's really part. Now, how to avoid katong mga issues of authority. So, train people. Okay? Our company, 2010, we won the Best Employee of the Year, national. And our HR was HR of the Year. Kaya wala pa naka-break ng record sa industry. Okay? Sikreto ng company namin. Change day 1. Train people. Train people. We cut on other budgets, but never on training. Okay? Training is very important. Okay, again, can we give a round of applause to our HR, mga OSA team, who really, kabalo ko challenge na financially, but really, ilang ginigit pahitabo. Okay? Next, coach. Ayan. So, we have to promote based on merit. Dili lang kay dool sa kasing-kasing. Dool sa luwag. Ang uban yun kay naana sa kaldero. Sunod na gis kaldero. Doon na automatic. Matik na ba eh. Diba? Sa itong mga experience karon, ang ingon kanila very sad, no? It's not what you know, but whom you know. Diba? Kabalugod ka, mas credible ka, mas complete ka, tama? Pero anong siya ang ginawa? Because na siya'y kaila. Nasa'y backer. Again, when I applied for this company nga akong for 25 years, I never experienced that. I earned my employment. From UK, I'm from UK, United Kingdom. Sa kayong taon ka ng truck sa tubo. No. Pakabot sa gihing, usakay na po ni para Davao. Pakabot akong apubyo, pating ambuga sa kong buhok. Magilambos pa po everything. That's my process. Ang doon nga nadawat ko. Okay? So I stayed there for 25 years. But the sad thing about it is that my retirement 2015, I was just given 12.5 years compensation. 25 years, pero anong 12.5 years lang ang yatag sa ako? You want to know why? Ask me why. Because ang ako amang goal is I'm a PhD. Akong PhD, palaging half day. Okay, daghan sa ato ang mga nagtrabaho karon PhD. Present, pero ang mind and heart wala na sa trabaho. So ayaw mo pag-PhD, paliho ni coach. Palaging half day. Okay? So again, investigate favoritism. Kung na may mga nadunggan niyo niya as a leader, do not neglect. What's the word? Sahay manggod ay, hindi na ko lang, no. Kaya nga ka naging leader eh. Iboto ka nila because they trust you. It's your responsibility. Hindi siya work. Responsibility siya. Okay. Ayan. And I'm just quoting there, what's the difference between influence and authority? Example lang, if ang authority daw comes from possession, but ang influence is coming from character. Okay, so character is defined as moral excellence. Okay, and competence is the ability, meaning noun and verb. Meaning, competence is action siya. Very important to. That as a leader, you have competence or character. Asa man dapat ang leader? Ay competence or character? Both. I like that. Can you give a round of applause? Right kay mo eh. Dapat nakakay character. Kabalo ka sa tama. And you do it competence. Ha? Expected na sa leader. Nadili lang ka taas o character. Basta kay competence. Ako ba po competent kayo pero walay character. Pakakon kayo. Di ba? So muna siya, character na siya. So dapat ang leader, integral yan sa'yo. Two sides of the coin. You have competence and character. Hindi pwedeng character lang. Hindi pwedeng competence lang. You have to have that both. And you know what? What's the thing? It can be learned. Alam ninyo? Character and competence can be learned. Okay? Okay. So, yan. I want you to work with your teens right now, and this is the case. The case is a student discovers their friend, kaibigan mo, cheated on an exam and must decide whether to report them. So, ikaw na yung i-report mo o hindi. Upholding academic integrity or kaibigan mo eh. Di ba? Kabit-bituka, ang sabi nila dyan, grabe ba eh, kabit-bituka tayo. Tama? Kapit-bahay, kapit-buhay. O, diba? Yan ang mga words ng mga friends. But now, ikaw as a leader na yan, you are in a situation like that. Nag-cheat siya. I-report mo hindi. Okay, sige. Report or not? Okay, I want you to huddle with your team. Give me one answer. No, dapat may speaker sa isang team ninyo. I'll do it in 5 minutes. Come on, leaders, facilitate. Ha? Kung sinabi ninyong hindi, bakit? Kung i-report, bakit? Okay? Ano yung basis mo? Okay? Clear sa inyo? Instruction? Okay, so again, the case is that your friend cheated. Okay, ayaw lang tong love life fan lang ka. Sa school, nag-cheat siya. Kita mo. Isusumbong mo o hindi? Kung hindi, bakit? Example, ay sir, tagaan pa na mo siya one chance. Tama? Meaning, istoryahon sana po siya. Depende sa inyong anak. Give me the reason. Okay? Or pwede sir, di na. Kailangan ko nang i-report ka agad. Bakit? So again, depende sa inyo ha. Per team. Okay, brainstorm and then give me the result. Outcome niyo. Yes? Okay.
Sino? Okay.
Good afternoon, mga young RMC! I am China Gang Abasalas, our Supreme Student Council President. And I'm from... Roar! But of course, we'll keep this simple. Because we believe as a student leader, we should be compassionate. First, we will engage with that said friend, and we will we will engage and tell them their wrongdoings. And after that, we will let them choose if they would confess it themselves, or I will report it. And if they choose the latter, so of course, I would eventually report it to our advisor. And we believe that it is not a betrayal, but an effort, an act to help that friend, because as the saying goes, mistake is the best teacher. Therefore, we believe that that friend will learn from that mistake and carry a valuable lesson that they will eventually keep in mind all throughout. Thank you so much.
Wow. Thank you. Okay. Yep. Now, thank you for your insights. Ang gagaling ninyo. So again, ang point lang dito is, you have to discuss. Okay, hindi pwede to you come up and with a single, dahil ikaw ang leader, ang decision mo lang. Okay? Ang among gitanaw na obserbaran is, how you come up with a decision. And iyang ibuhat dito, nag-divide the house sila. Okay? And mamaya practice na to, pag naaganita yung decision na lisod, divide the house. That's why the house is literally divided. Mauna nga, matingala ka next meeting, katong mga nasakitan, dili na mo attend. Because the leader divided the house. So what's the best way to doing it? Okay? We have 2 points here. Let's come to ano man? Dapat mo na itong gamiton. Let's come to a compromise. Meaning, you understand that kini ang pinaka the best option. So in doing that, you are not dividing the house. Okay ha, sa leader, dapat kabalutan eh. When we talk of na yung mga decisions, okay? You have good ideas here, but you have to make a decision. Okay? Automatically, let's divide the house. Unconsciously, actually, you are really dividing. Kaya ka nang ilig-ganahan, masakitan na sila. Okay? So again, come to a compromise. Meaning, your idea is good, but I believe this is the best idea for us to work. And you know, this is the thing. You should be democratic in discussion, but autocratic in implementation. Meaning to say, pag-discuss, democratic, isa-isa. Pero pag may decision na, dapat follow na ka. Okay, nag-decide naman ang team. Okay? Sige.